everyone, in today's video we're going to learn the verbs of type γ ένα. In all the previous videos we learned verbs of type alpha and beta, and they were verbs in active voice and they had an ending of omega or omega with an accent. The type γ verbs have an ending of me, alpha me, and they are verbs in passive voice. It means that the action of the verb happens to its subject. And there are four types of γ verbs, γ1, γ2, γ3 and γ4. In this video we're going to focus on γ1 verbs. We're going to see a couple of examples of γ1 verbs. I will read them twice because they're quite long verbs and they're slightly harder than alpha and beta verbs. And then we're gonna conjugate one verb and see a couple of examples with sentences. Ας ξεκινήσουμε. Ρήματα τύπου γ1. Verbs of type γ1, G1. Γυμνάζομαι. Γυμνάζομαι. I exercise. Δέχομαι. Δέχομαι. I accept. Επισκέπτομαι. Επισκέπτομαι. I visit. Σηκώνομαι. Σηκώνομαι. I am getting up. Ξεκουράζομαι. Ξεκουράζομαι. I'm resting. Σέβομαι. Σέβομαι. I respect. Χαίρομαι. Χαίρομαι. I'm happy. I'm glad. Χρειάζομαι. Χρειάζομαι. I need. These were a couple of examples of the verb γ1. Now let's see how we can conjugate one of them. Ας δούμε πώς μπορούμε να κλείσουμε ένα ρήμα τύπου γ1. We have the verb δέχομαι here, which means I accept. Εγώ δέχομαι. I accept. Εσύ δέχεσαι. You accept. Αυτός δέχεται. He accepts. Αυτή δέχεται. She accepts. Αυτό δέχεται. It accepts. Εμείς δεχόμαστε. We accept. Εσείς δέχεστε. You accept. Αυτοί δέχονται. They accept. Masculine. Αυτές δέχονται. They accept. Feminine. Αυτά δέχονται. They accept. Neutral. A quick note here. Here are the endings underlined of how the verb of γ1 is getting conjugated. And what I want you to notice is that the tone drops in εμείς δεχόμαστε, because the syllables of the word change from 3 to 4. So we have to drop the accent. So δεχόμαστε, δέχεται εδώ ο τόνος, and then the accent goes back in δέχεστε because it becomes again 3-syllable word. And now let's see sentences with them. Ας δούμε τώρα προτάσεις με τα ρήματά μας. Γυμνάζομαι 3 φορές την εβδομάδα. I exercise 3 times a week. Δέχεσαι την πρόκληση. Do you accept the challenge? Ο Γιώργος σηκώνεται στις 6 πριν το μεσημέρι, στις 6 το πρωί. Ο Γιώργος gets up 6 in the morning. Χαιρόμαστε με την χαρά σας. We are happy with your joy. We are happy with your happiness. Αυτοί σέβονται το Σύνταγμα. They, masculine, respect the Constitution. And that was it with the verbs of γ1 today. If this video was useful for you, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And maybe write me down a couple of sentences of γ1 verbs in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.